In this video, we'll show you how to use the Sealey Walnut Blaster to clean carbon deposits on intake ports, valves and intake manifolds. Always wear appropriate PPE. Start by connecting the particle recovery hose to the steel drum. Then attach the elbow adapter to the other end of the hose. Next, select the correct adapter for your engine based on the size and shape of the intake port. Add 3 to 5 kilograms of walnut media directly into the stainless steel drum. Then reinsert the filter cartridge and secure the machine head cover back into place. Before starting, look at the carbon buildup inside the intake manifold or port. This gives you a good before and after comparison. Connect your airline to the air inlet. Make sure the compressor can deliver at least 7 bar or 102 psi for optimal performance. Switch the unit on using the power switch. Now open the abrasive outlet valve. Carefully align the adapter with the intake or exhaust port. Now insert the walnut blasting gun into the elbow adapter and pull the trigger. Move the gun backwards, forwards and in circular motions to evenly clean the area. A typical valve takes around 2 minutes to clean. Once the carbon is removed, make sure to vacuum or blow out any remaining walnut media before reassembling the engine components. And that's it. The Sealey Walnut Blaster is a powerful and effective method of removing carbon buildup and restoring engine efficiency.